know I like to be zoomed in when we working on the brows. God damn, y'all all in my face. All right, so let's just get straight into these brows. I basically do the same. I do my eyebrows the same way I would do them, like how I did in my everyday makeup video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave it down below. But because my hair is more like a reddish, burgundy-ish color, I'm not gonna make my eyebrows that bright, but I am gonna put a hint of red in it. So if you don't know already, I use the one and only pencils from the beauty supply store. I'll be using the darkest brown and red. And I'm just gonna mix these two together. That's what they look like. I'm gonna use that, a spoolie, some LA Pro Girl concealer in chestnut. And we're just gonna go to work. So I'm gonna use the brown one first. And I'm just gonna do it lightly. I'm not gonna have a heavy hand because I don't want my eyebrows super dark, but I just want them to be filled in. With like all the areas that have, you know, thin hairs and stuff like that. So just basically do your brows like how you normally do, but just with a lighter hand. Because you don't want them to look like black with streaks of red. Now we don't care if it's messy or how the shape looks because we always can clean it up with concealer. Plus my eyebrows aren't waxed right now anyway, so I'm gonna have to clean these things up. So this is like roughly how I want my brows to look, so I'm just gonna go back in with my spoolie really fast. I know they look crazy, like this one higher than the other. Like I hate that. I wish my eyebrows was twins and not sisters. Like but yes, so make sure that the hairs are going in the direction we need them to go. And now I'm gonna grab the red pencil. And then I'm just gonna lightly, basically go over what I just did, but not OD, depending on how red you want your eyebrows. Of course, if you want your eyebrows more red, you would have a heavier hand, but I don't want my eyebrows that bright. And you know, that's shocking, especially because my hair color is not even that bright. And I still have a little bit of a dark root as well. So you're just gonna fill that in, fill that in, fill that in. And you're gonna take your spoolie again and just blend everything together. I should probably go outside after I'm finished because the sun is out and take some pictures so you guys could see the actual red, like how it comes out. Because I did my brows like this the other day when I first wore this wig after I reinstalled it, and I loved it. So I said, yeah, I gotta do that again. I don't know why every time I had red hair I didn't do that, but see what happens when you're scared to try new things and then you finally do and you're like, damn, where have I been? What have I been doing? Like, what have I been doing this whole time? But yeah, Right now, I'm just make sure the hairs are going how I want them to go so that when I clean them up, it's way easier. Just clean up the middle because we don't want to look like we have a unibrows was never cute. No offense to people who naturally have them, but girl. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on the back of my hand, warm it up a little bit. I'm going to take a brush like this, small, smooth, flat brush, and try to conceal these non-waxed brows as best as possible. Make sure I'm in the frame, because let's look at that. I'm trying not to go into the brow too much because I don't want to start pulling down the red into my concealer and then you see it. So, being very careful. We're just gonna carve out our brows. I don't know if it's because this is elastic band is on my head or what. Let me take this elastic band off real quick. Okay, I took my band off. Don't mind my hair because I gotta finish my brows first, so. Okay, so you see how that color matched perfectly? Now that I'm done concealing, I'm just gonna make sure I blend out a brown because I'm not wearing a full face of makeup today, so I definitely just don't want a highlighted halo look around my eyebrows because that's not cute. And that's basically how I achieve my red/burgundy brows. It's really simple, same routine as I do normally if I'm doing regular natural tone color brows. Just add a little bit of red, make sure you blend it out, conceal it properly, and you're all set. But let me just pull my hair down in front so you guys can see how it looks with the hair. But when I go outside, after I put my lashes on and stuff like that, we'll take pictures for you guys to see. Or I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. But yeah, that's basically what she's given. So I'm gonna put some eyelashes and stuff like that on real quick, and I will be back. Okay, so I turned my other ring light off. I just have the one in front of me on. Let me turn it on a little bit off so you guys can see how the brows look. And everything is done. And with the ring light on. Finished look of the brows. I'm wearing Lash Style Princess today because I already feel like I got colored brows and colored hair, so I really don't need the drama from the lashes today. But yes, love, love, love how it matches the color of my hair. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.